Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix the diverse error in the Warzone 2. So I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So let's dive to our first method. You have to just restart your console, PC or laptop. As in some cases it is enough to restart your PC or console to solve this error. So now moving to our second method, you just need to check your internet connection that if it is stable or not, as in some cases an unstable internet connection may cause this error in your Warzone 2. So you have to just try to change the network connection or restart the router by turning on the airplane mode for 4 to 5 minutes and again turn it off, restore your internet connection and restart your Warzone 2. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. In case of the Wi-Fi, you have to just reboot your modem and again turn your Wi-Fi on and then restart your Warzone 2. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our third method, you need to check for the update. If any update is available for your Warzone 2, you have to just update your Warzone 2, as in some cases an old version may cause this error. So you have to just try to update your Warzone 2 and your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our fourth method, you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for %temp%. Once you done, click OK and here you have to just select all of the files and the folders and then right click and then click on the delete. Don't worry, these all are the junk files that are causing this type of the errors in your game, so you must delete all of these files and the folders from here. If some files are interrupting to delete, then you have to just leave them and then close this window. So now you have to just right click on your recycle bin and empty your recycle bin. After this, restart your Warzone 2 and hopefully your problem will be fixed. If still you are facing the same issue, then you need to uninstall your Warzone 2 and again install it. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. Moving to our last and the final solution, open your Steam library and then right click on your Warzone 2. Click on the properties and then click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of the game files. Wait for completing this process and after this restart your Warzone 2 and your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.